Two houses gutted by fire in the municipality of Villasis. Two doctors at Bacolod City Health Office issued show cause orders over complaints. Street concert ends in jail. Man arrested by girlfriend after wild behavior. And Lazada breaks records to celebrate the 14th anniversary this year. Good evening, I'm Apolinario, 30 Dignidad si Valencia, and this is Philippine Headlines. In Luzon, two houses gutted by fire in the municipality of Villasis. Two ancestral houses were destroyed by fire in Barangay Puelay in the municipality of Villasis, the province of Pangasinan, at around 1 a.m. According to the Bureau of Fire Protection or BFP Villasis, firefighters responded quickly to extinguish the blaze and prevent it from spreading to nearby houses. Despite the incident, no casualties or injuries were reported. Authorities are still investigating to determine the cause of the fire and assess the total amount of damage. In Visayas, two doctors at Bacolod City Health Office issued show cause orders over complaints. Two doctors working at the Bacolod City Health Office have been issued show cause orders following the receipt of serious complaints against them. The complaints stem from separate issues faced by each doctor. One was reported by their own staff, while the other was filed by a patient. The city government took this action to allow the doctors to explain the allegations of misconduct within the health office. At present, the local government of Bacolod is waiting the formal explanations from the two doctors regarding the complaints. In Mindanao, street concert ends in jail. Man arrested by girlfriend after wild behavior. A 23-year-old man identified as Harvey was arrested by barangay watchmen and detained at Police Station 10 after causing a disturbance in Purok 2, Barangay Tablon on Tuesday night. The incident began due to the suspect's intoxication, which led to a heated argument between him and his 23-year-old girlfriend, Rosil. Instead of the romantic evening, Harvey created a loud concert in the middle of the street, alarming nearby residents. A neighbor named Blair attempted to calm him down, but the suspect refused to listen and became even more unruly due to the effects of alcohol. As a result, Barangay Tablon watchmen responded and arrested him. Harvey was given free accommodation in a jail cell, where he could continue his drama quietly and prevent further disturbance in the community. The incident was already been officially recorded in the barangay blotter after Rosil herself reported her boyfriend for record purposes. Harvey remains in custody while waiting to sober up. This incident serves as a reminder that true courage is not found in a battle, but in controlling one's pride to avoid ending the night at the police station. In the other news, many Bangsamoro families gathered to take part in the Eid al-Fitr or the Feast of Breaking the Fast congregational prayer last March 21 this year at the Office of the Chief Minister or OCM grounds in the Bangsamoro Government Center in the city of Cotabato. Bangsamoro Grand Mufti Abdul Rauf Gualani himself led the Eid prayer that delivered in the khutbah or sermon, marking the end of Ramadan 2026 here in the Philippines. Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Makakwa also attended the congregational prayer together with his family. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated annually by Muslims around the world through prayers, feasts, and acts of charity after a month of fasting. It remains one of the most important occasions in the Islamic faith. And our business update, Lazada breaks records to celebrate the 14th anniversary this year. Lazada is marking its 14th anniversary with a series of wellness activities and a birthday sale set to kick off tonight. As part of the celebration, Lazada also joined forces with participants from Singapore, Vietnam, and Malaysia to break global milestones, with the Philippines playing a key role in securing 2 official Guinness World Records titles. This included the largest toast with soft drinks across multiple venues, gathering 2,728 participants, and the most people unwrapping presents simultaneously in multiple venues, with 2,625 participants recorded. And that is Philippine Headlines this Thursday, March 26, 2026. I'm Apolinario, 30 Nadisi Valencia, and this is Salakot Online Broadcasting Network. Good night, Philippines. I'm Ping Kasadja.